More than a dozen new drug detector canines, alternative drug treatment, and a community camera and alert system in Tumon to arm police in the fight against drug-related crimes. That's just some of the proposals to be discussed during the Opioid Recovery Advisory Council meeting. Attorney General Douglas Moylan recently sending the proposals to senators. Guam Behavioral Health Director Therese Ariola says she also discussed the issues with him.
Addiction is an illness, and it needs to be treated as such. And so being able to provide them the services so that they don't return to that way of life again is, I think, in the best interest in the community. And I think is really what we all want.
The council will meet on February 14th. Up for discussion, the creation of a homegrown breeding program to equip Guam Customs, Guam Police, and the local prison with up to 18 new drug detector dogs. The council also set to talk about an alternative residential substance abuse treatment program for Department of Correction detainees who currently cannot receive treatment as they await trial.
It's specifically a program that they get into, and for 6 months, right before their sentence is completed, they go through a residential treatment program, very similar to those who are not in the criminal justice system, and is availing themselves to residential treatment outpatient services here in the community that we have.
The Lighthouse Recovery Center currently provides services.
We are overwhelmed. We have, every day, we have inquiries every day. We have folks calling from DOC. Every day we have referrals coming in.
Director Valerie Reyes says they are in full support of the council and the RSAT for detainees.
So I believe that that's definitely going to come through. I just believe that the more immediate and the more longer a person has interaction with a treatment provider, the better chances of them staying off drugs. It's just a fact.
Clinical Supervisor Christopher Francisco confirms roughly 38% of their clients are receiving treatment for drugs, clients ranging from ages 25 to 44.
I do want to say that in the past several years, there has been a trend for more restorative justice as opposed to being purely punitive. And I can say, and this is just anecdotal, having worked here for like the past 11 years, that I have seen clients go on to come directly from jail and then leave treatment and go on to have, meaningful and fulfilling lives. So, that seems like a good partnership. The justice system and treatment services, working together gets pretty good results.
But the results will now depend on how quickly the council could act on the proposals once they meet next week. Julianne Hernandez, KUAM News.